In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test ManyChat automation. Let's get started by logging into ManyChat. You will need your login credentials on hand. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your gateway to managing your automation. From there, navigate to the automation section. This is where you can access all your automated flows. Automation is the heart of ManyChat. It allows you to engage with your audience effectively and efficiently. Once you're in the automation section, you'll see a list of all your flow campaigns. Next up, open the specific flow you want to test. This is an important step because it ensures that you're working on the correct sequence of messages. With your flow opened up, you're ready to delve deeper into the testing phase. You'll want to click on Preview. This button is your friend. It allows you to see exactly how your messaging flow will appear to a user. Once the preview opens, select the option that says In ManyChat. This ensures you're testing within the ManyChat environment. This is crucial as it provides the most reliable testing ground. You'll notice a smartphone preview window appears. This window is a great visual aid. It mimics the user experience, showing how your messages will display on mobile devices. With this ready, you can begin interacting with your flow. Click on buttons and replies as they appear in the preview. This interaction is key. It lets you experience the flow just like a user would. Check each step of the flow carefully. This means reading through the messages and interactions. Make sure everything is logically connected and functions as intended. If you encounter any issues or something doesn't seem right, take note. It's better to fix these now than after going live. If you find any errors, you can fix them directly in the flow. This might involve editing a message or adjusting a trigger. Making these changes ensures that your automation runs smoothly and provides a seamless experience for your users. Once you've reviewed and adjusted any necessary steps, click Refresh to restart the test. This action resets the preview, allowing you to go through the flow again from the beginning. It's a valuable step to confirm that all your changes are correctly implemented. At this point, you should feel confident that your ManyChat automation is working as expected. This testing process is crucial because it helps you avoid potential hiccups later on. Remember, a well-tested flow leads to better engagement and user satisfaction. In conclusion, by following these steps, you ensure that your ManyChat automations are ready for prime time. Testing thoroughly saves you from future headaches and enhances the user experience. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!